Sup guys, so in this video we shall look into and learn about the first data structures in Python called as lists. Now let us talk about sorting. Sorting on this list will not happen because nobody knows how to sort such a list. Isn't that so? Let us give it a try. My list dot sort, it is returning supported, not supported between instances of complex and integer, which means right at this juncture it has failed. Alright, so let us now create another list of just numbers. Say list import random. Now for I in range of 10, say list dot append of random dot randint of. The first value is 1 and last value is 100. Any value between 100 take and put it in the list. Alright, now our list is ready. Let us check our print and check our list. See list. Okay, we have a list of randomly arranged numbers. Now what we shall do is let us sort this list. On list we have something called as sort method. What this does is this rearranges this particular list in an ascending order and assigns it back to the list itself, which means this does not return anything. Now if I say C list, this will be a ordered as list. Got it? Yes. Also we have something called as a sorted method. Okay, so before that we shall do this once again. Import random. Let us create a list again. Alright, now let us print our list and see. Again we have randomly ordered numbers. Now there is something called as sorted method of C underscore list. This will return a new list with the elements sorted 12, 14 in order sorted, right? But this does not change or modify our existing list. Alright, these are two ways in which you can sort your elements of a list. Thank you.